Connecting the world, SpaceX's Starlink, a cell phone tower in space. Mankind has always been fascinated with the cosmos, our final frontier. Welcome to an exciting journey to SpaceX's Starlink project. Imagine a world where everyone, regardless of location, has access to high-speed, low-latency internet. Technology breaking barriers, connecting humans like never before. SpaceX's Starlink, a network of thousands of mass-produced small satellites, is making this dream a reality. A cell phone tower in space, for everyone, everywhere. The satellites are in low Earth orbit, closer than traditional satellites. This ensures a faster and more reliable internet connection, even in remote locations. With Starlink, SpaceX aims to provide internet connectivity to underserved areas of the planet, bridging the digital divide. Internet for all, no exceptions. Starlink is not just internet access. It's hope for students in remote areas, businesses in rural regions, and life-saving connections in disaster-stricken zones. So, join SpaceX in this revolutionary endeavor. Together, we can redefine connectivity, empower communities, and push humanity forward. Starlink, connectivity reimagined.